Hi, second graders, Miss Linder here. Today is Monday, May 18th. So for today's science lesson, you are going to be describing weather. We did this a little bit before break, before we went to remote learning. The very first thing you're going to do is you're going to watch this video. It's about describing weather. So watch the video in its entirety and then go to the second bullet point. So after that, watching the video, each day you're going to collect weather data. So Monday through Friday, you're going to collect data on the weather for each day. So what does that look like outside? Draw a picture or describe in words what you observe. So when you're observing, what do you see, feel, or hear? You're then going to create a table like the one on the next slide, which I will show shortly, to help you organize your data observations. And here are some ideas to help you organize your data. So temperature, how does it feel outside? Is it hot? Is it cold? You can actually put the exact temperature. Wind, is it windy outside today? How do you know? Usually you can see flags moving in the wind or trees moving. And clouds, what do the clouds look like today? Are they cumulus clouds, stratus clouds? So then we're gonna go to the next slide. And it is gonna be a chart that you can create just like this one. You have your date, you would fill out the date. You can put Monday, May 18th, whatever time you're doing it at, the temperature, describe it, draw a picture, do the same thing for the wind and then the clouds. And then you're going to do the same for the rest of the week. On Friday, you are then going to take a picture of this, send it to your teacher, get a parent's help or siblings help to send it to your teacher, whether it be through text message, email, Class Dojo, Parent Square. Just make sure you're sending your work to your teacher because we'd love to see that. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out to any of the second grade teachers, and we'll see you next time.